in the live chat section. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Just a moment, guys. Okay, guys. So what we were discussing that I hope you people have done your paper very nicely, because the paper was really easy. It was very easy as per the expectation. I was not even expecting that this will be the paper will be too easy. Okay, and one more thing, you people can actually write down in the chat section, how was your how was your paper today. In fact, I am also going to discuss one of the paper with you people. Okay, so yes, come on everyone, write it down fast. How was your paper? It was very easy. It was very easy. Let me start it. Okay, so is it okay, guys? Fine. So let me start with the quick one of the paper that I got with one of my student. Okay, so you people can also try this one along with the. In fact, we are coming with the other series as well. This is the set two with the paper code as 30 2 of 2. Okay, this is the paper set which I got. Okay, so I will be discussing this thing with you, right? Okay, so listen, this is the first MCQ. As I have discussed already with you, that what will be the paper pattern, what will be the our strategy to go with the paper. What we are going to do, we are going to start with the long answer type questions, right? First, as I have already told you in the previous sessions, right? And so this is our strategy. So I hope this would have been, you would have been done that very easily. Yes, guys, come on, let me know, how was your paper? Okay, so let me start with, can you guys hear me? Okay, fine. So let me start with, see, the very easy question, the first question to begin with. If 1 0 of a polynomial, the polynomial is given as, this is x square uh, minus 3kx plus 4k. Okay, this thing is equal to 0, right? Okay, so one of the root is twice the other. If I take one of the root as alpha, the other root will be, yes, what will be the other root? Let us suppose other root is beta. Okay, I can take alpha is equal to 2 times beta. Simple. Okay, okay, guys. So this is what I can take. Fine. Now, what we need to do? Yes. What is the sum of roots here? Alpha plus beta is, as you know, is a negative b over a. Okay. If I substitute this thing, this will be 3k. I'm doing this very a little bit fast because I have to complete the whole thing. Okay. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3k. After that, what I will be doing, I will be substituting the value of alpha as 2b. This will be 3 beta is equal to 3k. So beta I got as k, right? Is that thing clear? Now, what is the product of roots? Come with the product of roots, alpha into beta, that is equal to c upon a. What's here c? That is 4k. That is 4k. But what is alpha into beta? Alpha I can write, yes, alpha I can write 2 beta into beta is equal to 4k, right? So this will give me 2 times beta square. Beta square is your k square, that is equal to, yes, and that is equal to your k, right? Okay, sorry, 4k. Okay, now 2 1 2 2, one of the k will be cancelled, so k is equal to 2. Simple, this is your option, right? Very easy question. Now the next thing, now you need to know that there is a line, the ratio in which it divides it into the line is the x-axis. So you know the basic thing that you know here, in the x-axis the y coordinate is 0, so simply take the y equal to 0, you will get the answer. Okay, so you know what is the y coordinate, that is m2, sorry, m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. If you take the ratio as m is to n is equal to k is to 1, let the ratio be k is to 1. Take the values here. What is here? So this will be 0 is equal to k times, what is here, y1, this is y2 negative 7. Okay, what's here, n, that's 1. What is here, y1, that is 3. Okay, this will be equal to k plus 1, right? This will give me negative 7k plus 3 is equal to 0. So what I will be getting with, I will be getting with k is equal to, yes, k is equal to 3 upon 7. So the ratio will be 3 is to 7. I think the option number B is correct. Simple. Okay, guys. Yes. Are you getting me? Hmm. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Fine. See, this is the next question. Okay. So this is the question which you need to discuss. What's the total surface area of the solid hemisphere if the diameter is given to be this, right? What is the total surface area? Yes, total surface area of a solid hemisphere if the diameter is given to be this. Yes, easy, very easy question. Okay, guys. Yes, come on, tell me what will be the answer. The total surface area of a solid cement. This thing. I think you can get it. Okay, this one is the okay. Uh, it is saying total surface area of the solid hemisphere. Okay, it is the total surface area of a solid hemisphere. Can you tell me what is the surface area of a hemisphere? Yes, yes, guys. Okay, so just take the d. Okay, so it will be equal to see, solid total surface area of a solid hemisphere. I think this is 3 pi. See, I have to take this. I have to take this 3. Its area is 3 pi r square. Isn't it total surface area of this thing? Fine. Solid hemisphere. Okay. Now, what I need to do, I need to put r is equal to 2d. Fine. So this will be equal to, so r will be equal, so d will be equal to, r will be equal to d upon 2. So this is 3 pi d by 2 whole square. Fine. Okay. So this I will get as 3 pi d square divided by 4. I think this is the option, correct option. As I told this, I was actually confused with whether it was given as a volume or else. Okay. Now see, the next question that is given, find the length of the arc of a sector with the radius as 14 centimeter and the central angle is given as 90 degree. Fine. How to find this? You know, the length of the arc is given as theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, right? Theta is 90. This will be 1 by 4. Simply, theta, taking the theta as a 90 degree, into 2 into 22 by 7. What is the r? Take it as a 14. You will get the answer A as 22. Simple. Right now, see the next question. This is a simple decimal question. Simple decimal question that has been asked, right? If you will see, that is the easiest. This question, see what is being asked. It is x square minus 0.9 of k is equal to 0. Fine. It is given that x is equal to 0.3 is one of the root. X is equal to 0.3 is one of the root. So what does that mean? That means if I give the value of x as 0.3, this will satisfy it. Okay. Okay, guys. So this should satisfy it. Fine. So how to do it? Come on, let me know. Let me know in the chat, guys, how to do it. Fine. So what I will be doing, I will be taking 0.3 whole square minus 0.9 of k is equal to 0. So after that, what I will do, take this square of this. This will be 0.09 minus 0.0 of k. Take the k on the other side. So this will be actually 9 over 100 and is equal to 9 over 10 is equal to k, isn't it? 9 and 9 will be cancelled. This and this will be cancelled. So k will be 0.1. Is this any option? Yes, option number C is the correct one. Fine. Guys, is that correct? Hmm. Okay. Now the next question. An easy question of your similar triangles. See, I will zoom it in a little bit. Okay. See, the question is given as in a triangle, this side is parallel to this side, right? And AB is equal to 6 centimeter. This OP is 2 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. You have to find the length of side OP. You know, if these are parallel, this and this angle will be equal. If this angle will be equal, this and this angle will be also equal by the vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So I will say triangle O uh, PQ is similar to triangle O in P is equal to B, take it B, and Q is A, right? This will be there. Now take the take the proportions. Then here OP over OB. This is equal to PQ over BA. This is equal to OQ over AA. OA. Take the values. What you need to find? You need to find OP. Okay, OP is here. So OPPQ is 2. This is here BA. BA is 6. This is equal to OP over OB. OB is 3. This is here 1, 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. This is 1. Option number D. Correct. Okay. Is that thing fine, guys? Is that clear? Okay. Now let's move to the next question. See, this is the next question. Very easy question. If you can see, P and Q are the natural numbers. This is the easy question. You have to do nothing in this question. P and Q are the natural numbers. P is a multiple of Q. So what does that mean? P is a multiple of Q. 9 is a multiple of 3. That means 3 is the common multiple. Simple. What is the HCF for P and Q? Simply, it should be Q, isn't it? Easy. Okay. I think this is very easy question for you people, right? Now the next is a triangle ABC and PQR. Angle A is given to be 32. They are similar. See, first of all, let's take the similarity criteria here. You know that we have to take the correspondence, equal correspondence, that is ABC is similar to triangle, what is it given? PQR, triangle PQR, right? Okay, now I will say angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B will be equal to angle Q, angle C will be equal to angle R as per 1 1 correspondence, right? Now angle A is given to be how much it is? It is 32, right? This is equal to 32 degree, fine. Okay, what is the next angle? Angle R is equal to 60. 65 or 67? I think it's 65. Okay, 65. Fine. Now, what will be angle B? Simply, if you will use the sum angle property of a triangle, the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So angle B will be equal to 180 minus, add these two. This is 97, isn't it? This is equal to 83. Which option? Yes, option C. Correct. Fine. The pair of a parallel lines, x is equal to A, y is equal to B, graphically represent C. This, when x is equal to a, this is a line which is parallel to the y-axis passing through a. Y is equal to b, it is a line which is parallel to x-axis passing through b. So see, if I make a coordinate, this is a, this is b, it is a line which is parallel to the y-axis passing through, this is y is equal to b. This is a line which is parallel to the x-axis passing through a, this is x equal to a. Can you tell me at which point they will meet? Yeah, guys, come on, tell me at which point they will meet. Let me know. They will meet at this point. This point is x is a, y is b. Array simple yaar, a comma b. Okay. Yes. Mm, yeah. X is equal to a comma b. Okay. Now the next question. See, this question is also little bit. We can't say this is little bit complicated. This is complicated question. This is the easy question. The line is given by x plus y by b is equal to 1. See, if you will see this question, you need to frame the intercepts. Fine. Because it will, what are, find the coordinates of the axis. That means you need to find the area of a triangle which is formed by this line with the coordinates. That means it will surely touch your coordinates. That is the x-axis and y-axis, right? So if you will make this by taking the x equal to 0, this will intersect here at this point b. This point will be 0 comma b, and this point, when you take y is equal to 0, this point will be a comma 0. Just check it out. Okay, now what is the area of this triangle? This is length a, this is length b, this will be half a into b. Option B. Simple, right? Okay, see, next is given. Guys, are you getting it? You can let me know in the chat if you have any confusion. If you people have any kind of confusion, you can let me know. Okay, see the next one. In a single throw of a die, that means we have to show a single throw of die. Fine. Okay, what's given? It is given that you should get a product of a 12. Now tell me all the possibilities that you will get the product as a 12. Yes, come on, tell me how to get a product 12. Yes, guys. How to get the product as 12? Simple. One of the possibilities is 2 comma 6. One of the possibilities is 6 comma 2. One of the possibilities is 3 comma 4. One of the possibilities is 4 comma 3, isn't it? So total possible ways are 4 comma 36. This is 1 by 9. This is option number 8. Done. Okay. 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 Now see the next one. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial ax square minus 5x plus c, the polynomial is given as ax square minus 5x plus c is equal to, no, it's not equal to 0. And one of the, and it is given that alpha plus beta is equal to alpha into beta is equal to 10. Very easy question. Very easy question. Okay, guys. How to get this thing? How to get this thing? First of all, you need to know what is the sum of roots here. It is alpha plus beta, right? What is here alpha plus beta? That is equal to b by a, that is 5 over a. Okay, now what is here alpha into beta? That is equal to c by a, that is equal to 10. This is also equal to 10, this is also equal to 10. If you see this, if I take the reciprocal of these things, I will get 1 2 a is equal to half, right? So just check where is the a half. So my 19, not 90, 99% question is done. I don't need to find the value of c because a is equal to half is only the option of this thing. I will park this thing. Done. Now for your people, I will find C as well, right? So C will be equal to, C over half. This is equal to A. Okay. So C, sorry, 10. This is equal to 10. So C will be equal to 10 multiplied by half. This is equal to 5. C, surely you will get the answer as it. Guys, you got it? Is that thing clear? Guys, let me know in the chat. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next part. See, the bag contains 100 cards, numbered from 1 to 100. A card is drawn randomly from a bag. What is the probability that the card on the page is a perfect cube? Now let me know how to get a perfect cube if you have 100 cards. Let's take the perfect cubes. You have the 1 cube, that is 1. You have the 2 cube, that's equal to 8. You have 3 cube, that is equal to 27. You have 4 cube, that is equal to 64. You have 5 cube, that is equal to 125. This will not exist. Why? Yes, guys, come on, tell me why this will not exist. Why this thing will not exist? Because I have only 100 cards in my bag, right? I won't get any 125 card with mark 125. So all the possible ways are 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I will be getting 4 upon 100. Okay, this is yes 1 upon 25. I think as I can see, is it option number C? Huh? Very easy, guys. Now I think I don't even have to look for the next question. Hmm? Because this is such an easy question. See, in the given figure, this is parallel to this. Fine. Okay. Now, can I use here? Wait. Can I use here BPT, basic proportionality theorem? Because I will have this is equal to, so here it will be 2 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon x. So I will get this over this, this over this. So what I will be getting the value of x? So value of x I will get as the value of x I will get as, yes guys, isn't it 9 over 2? Isn't it? That's option D. Simple, yeah. Okay. Now the pair of equations, it has the represents the coincident line. Coincident line means that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so r is here, it is negative r over negative 1, so this will be equal to r upon 1 is equal, no, let me take this thing, this is 1 upon r, this will be equal to 8 upon 16, 1 by, so it is 8 upon 16, so this is r is equal to 2, this will be the answer. Simple D part, isn't it? You just check it out. It's very easy. Now the next question. See, this question was really meant for you people to disturb. Okay, the R hand of a clock is 6 uh, centimeter long. The angle swept by between the 720 and 755. Can you tell me how many minutes are between 720 and 720 and this thing? and that 7:55. Isn't it a gap of 35 minutes? So 35 minutes, right? If it is 35 minutes, just taking the hours, that is 35 or 60, isn't it? That is 7 upon 12 hours. Now you know 1 hour, it gets 30 minutes. 30 degree takes the 1 hour. So this is 7 upon 12 into 30 degree. Okay. So I think this will be equal to, yes, 35 upon 2 degrees. Option 2. Simple. Okay. Isn't it? Now see, this is also the easiest question. How, guys? Let me take this. Okay. See, we know that the tangent from the external point of an circle, they are equal size. So this is of x. Let me make it little bit fine. So this is your x. This is also your x. Okay. So I need PA. So PA is your x. So CX is your, let us suppose this is y and this will be y. So CS, this is equal to y. So what I need to find, I need to find CA plus CS. So that is equal to x plus y. That is equal to PD plus PS. Isn't it PS? Option C. Correct. Done. Okay. Is that clear? Now, if alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, x square minus ax minus b. So the quadratic equation is given as x square minus ax minus b, and you need to find the value of alpha square plus beta square, where alpha beta are its roots. Easy. How? Because alpha square plus beta square, you know, this thing is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta, isn't it? Isn't it? Just check it out. Just check it out. You people, I think this thing was shown to you more than 1,000 times in the class. In the sessions, this thing was shown to you more than 100 times, I think. Now, what is alpha plus beta? That is the sum of the roots. That's equal to a squared, isn't it? This is negative 2 times, right? Okay, that will be equal to alpha into beta. That is b, negative b. Sorry, uh, this is negative b. Fine. That's equal to negative b. That is a square plus 2b. Is this any option? A square plus, yes, option number B. Simple. Fine. Now the assertion questions. Okay. The question number first, you have x square plus 3x plus 3 has the real roots. You can yourself see that this does not have the real roots. Why? B square minus 4ac. That's b square minus 4ac. You will see that's 9 minus 12. That is equal to negative, less than 0. So this first assertion, that's wrong. Okay. This thing is false. So only thing here that makes it false, that is the assertion A is false. Both assertion A and no. Let me check it for the other one as well. A quadratic polynomial has at most two real roots. Two real roots. Yes, this is true. So assertion A is false for this thing. So for this thing, option number D is correct. Fine. Is that clear? Now the next one. PA and PB are the diagonals from the external point of a circle, and it is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral AO. So let us suppose PA and PB. This is A, this is B. Okay, this is P, this is a center. Now let me know how come this will turn up to be a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes, guys, come on, let me know in the chat. Yes, bachcho, bolo. How can you say that this is a cyclic? Come on. अरे यार easy है. because this is 90, this is 90. One of the pair is proved that they are equal to 90, sum is 180, this will be also 180, so this is true, this one is true. Angle, see, this is the reason now given. The angle between the two tangents, the angle between the two tangents from the external point of the is supplementary to the angle subtended at the center. That's correct. And it is by the line joining the, so this thing is also true. So for the option of this thing is option, assertion A, both are true, and R is the reason. Yes, option number A for this thing, right? Okay, okay, guys, easy. Okay, fine. So this thing was all for your this MCQs. See, listen. Now your paper is done, but I also told you in the previous, when I was also in the previous live session, this thing was told to you people that whenever you do such a mathematics question paper, first just complete the long answer type questions. Why? Because of the reason that sometimes if the time does not permit at the end, this thing can be done within a while, within a fraction. If 1 marks can be, you can lose 1 marks, that's okay, but in order to avoid the major loss, right, that the long answer type you might not get a time to do that thing. That's why I'm saying that in the future you can do like this. Okay, now see, next question. uh Next question can be like this. Okay, these are now the section B questions. Okay, now see, question says the length of a shadow of a tower from the plain ground is root 3 times the height. Okay, so if it is a tower, if it is a ground, so it is height, so this will be root 3 times height. Find the angle means. This is easy. What is the relationship between, what should be the relationship between the perpendicular and the base of this thing? Yes, waiting for your response. Come on, guys. So this should be equal to tan theta. So tan of theta is equal to perpendicular, that is h upon root 3h. H and h will be cancelled, that is 1 upon root 3. You know 1 upon root 3, theta will be equal to, yes, where it is, that is 30 degree. Simple. The 30 degree is the option of the answer of this question. Now see, next one. Angle of elevation to the top. Either we can't do, we can leave this question because this one was the easiest. Let me show you how this is also done. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower on the ground 30 meter away, that means it is 30 meter away, and angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degree, right? This thing is equal to the 30 degree. Find the height of a tower. Again you can use the same thing, right? So tan 30 is equal to h upon 30. You know tan 30, that is 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon 30. So h can be given as 30 divided by root 3, that is equal to, you know, that is equal to 10 root 3. Fine, by the this thing, rationalization, right? Okay, okay, guys, fine. Now see, I have one more question. This is the figure. O is the center, AB and AC are the tangents. These are the tangents. Oh my god, such an easy question. This is 180 minus 65, isn't it? That is 115. Simple. See, the trigo question, I will show both of them. If, see, if this is 4 cot square 45, okay, just put up the values. 4 cot square 45 minus secant square 60 plus sine square 60 plus p is equal to 3 by 4, right? You need to find the value of what is cot 45, that is 1. What is sine secant of 60? That is root 3 by 2 whole square, isn't it? What is secant of, is it sine? Yeah, it's a sine of 60. Oh, sorry. This is 1 by 2. I thought it is sine. Okay, this is 2 square. This is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus p is equal to 3 by 4, right? Okay, now what you need to do, this is 4, this is 4, this gets cancelled. This will be 3 by 4 plus p is equal to 3 by 4. I think this and this will be cancelled. P I will get as 1 or 0. P is 0. It's not multiplication. So p is 0, simple. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Now next, see this question. I think many times this question would have been discussed with you. So this is cos of a plus cos square of a is equal to 1. Take it on the other side. So cos of a is equal to 1 minus cos square of a. This is equal to sine square of a, right? Is that thing clear? Simple. Done, isn't it? Now take the values of this thing. This is sine square of a plus sine 4 of a. What's the value? See, in place of sine square of a, can I write cos of a? In place of this thing, can I write cos square of a? Because see, I can write this sine square of a. You know, this can be written as this is sine 4 of a, isn't it? Can I write this as sine square a whole square, and this will turn up to be cos square of a. This is cos of a. This cos square of a plus cos of a, this is equal to 1. So answer of this both the questions were discussed with you, right? Okay, so next, see, find the vertices if they are the vertices of a right triangle. See how to prove that this is the vertices of a right triangle. If this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, right? There is one more method to prove that whether they are equal or not. That's by the slope way. Okay. In fact, that shows us that the points are collinear. Fine. If this, but if you will see, if you will see that these 3 points, I need to find AB by the distance formula. I need to find BC by the distance formula. I need to find CA by the distance formula. Now, what is AB? That is under root of 8 plus 2, that is 10. 3 minus 2, that is 0. This is equal to 10. Now, the next thing, that is BC. The BC is equal to under root of uh, 7 minus 8, that is 1. 1 6 minus 3, that is 3. That is 9 plus 1, that is root of 10. Fine. Okay, now AC. How AC is to be fine? This is 6, no, 7 AC. Okay, how to find this thing? This is equal to, I think, root of 90, isn't it? Hmm? You can find it. AC, that is 6, that is 8 square, that is 64. 64 plus 64 plus 9. Yes, how much this will be? Just check it out, how much this will be. You can find easily that the squares of the two is equal to the square of the other one. That you can easily find it out. Okay. Now, see, this is 4 raised to the power n. Okay. This is 4 raised to the power n. Okay. Uh, can never be end up with the digit 0, where n is a natural number. How? See, how can we say that the number is ending with the 0 at the end? How can we say that? BC6 2. I think I have done this little bit wrong. BC. BC will be equal to 6 minus 8, that is 2. 2, you can do it yourself. 6 minus 8, that's 2 square, plus 7 minus this, that is 4 square. Just find it out how much this will be. Now CA, this is 6 plus, that is 8 square, and 7 plus 4 square. Just find it out. You can easily do it, whatever the answers may be. Okay, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y. Oh, sorry, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is what is your distance formula. Just find it out. Now, see, it is saying that this xn to the 4 to the power n is never ending up with 0. See, why a digit will end up with a 0? What is the reason for that thing that it will end up with the 0? The reason for that thing that it will end up with the 0 is that it should be a multiple of 2 and 5. Now tell me, if you prime factorize any of the multiple of 4, will it end up with the 2? It will always give you the two powers of the 2. So that is 2 to the power, see, this is 2 to the power 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 2, and this will never end up with the powers of the 5. So how come it will be the power, this thing, uh 0? So it will never up with end up with the powers of the 0, end up with the 0, right? Now coming to the next section, that is the section, see, this is the first question of the trigo. Very easy question, very easy question. Okay, see how this thing is to be done. First of all, let's take this thing. This is sine of theta divided by 1 plus cos of theta. Okay, plus 1 plus cos of theta divided by sine of theta. This should be equal to 2 cosec of theta. See, now simplify this thing. If you see how I will simplify this thing, this is sine into sine, this is sine square theta. Now plus, when I will multiply these two things, I will be getting 1 plus cos square cos theta whole square. Now I will be applying identity to the same thing. This is 1 square plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, isn't it? In the denominator, what I will be getting? I will be getting sine theta 1 plus cos of theta. Just tell me, is this clear to you people or not? Just let me know in the chat, guys. Come on, let me know. Okay, fine. Now what is this? This and this is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. This is 2. Take the 2 common. This is 1 plus cos of theta. This in the denominator, you have sine of theta. 1 plus cos of theta. This 1 plus cos of theta. 1 plus cos of theta will be cancelled. 1 upon sine theta. You know that sine theta is the inverse of cosec. This is 2 cosec theta. Proved. Done. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, fine. Now see, the next question, I will be doing this question. You can see this question. I will just give you the answer of this thing. This is 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2a plus a plus b of y is equal to 28. How to do this thing? See, it is giving that it has an infinite solution. First of all, tell me the condition. What is the thing that tells you that the system of the solutions has an infinite solution? That is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, isn't it? What is here a1? That's 2. What's here a2? That is 2a is equal to, what's here b1? That's 3. And what is here b2? That is a plus b. Right now, what is here c1 and c2? That is 7 upon 28. This will help us because otherwise everywhere here are the unknowns. This and this will be cancelled. This is 7174. If you will see, a will directly be as a 4, isn't it? Because you will equate this and this. Now what is the value of b? This is 3 divided by 4 plus b is equal to, yes, 4 plus b is equal to 1 upon 4. This will be 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to b. I think b is 8. Yeah, b is 8. A is equal to 4, b is equal to 8. Done. That's easy. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, any confusion? Let me know in the chat. Okay, so this question you will see that yourself how this is to be done. In fact, I think mm, you can check this thing as put x equal to, x will be 3 and y will be 2. Just check it out by the that whatever methods you have, that is prime factor this. substitution, elimination, in fact, cross multiplication can be also done. Okay. Now this is the next question. The LCM of this thing, that is 18180 and 7575. This could be also done. This is also very easy question. Just try to do it with the prime factorization. You will get the answer. Okay. I will be doing this question, the part B of this, the same question. See, it is saying that the three bells ring at 6, 12, 18 minutes. Okay. Okay. If all the three bells rang at 8 a.m., now what's the next time they will ring again? So this is 6, 12, and 18. Now currently, let me know everyone, what should I do here? Guys, come on, let me know. What should I do here to find what is the minimum time that they will ring again? Yes, tell me. We need to find LCM of this thing. Okay, this is 3. This is 2, 4, 6. Again with 2. 1, 2, 3. Multiply this thing. 3, 6, 6, 6, 36. So this will ring after the 36 minutes. That is 6 a.m. 6:36 a.m. They will again ring it. Fine. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Next question. Very easy question. Listen, guys, what you need to prove? You need to prove angle QAP. QAP. This angle, let's take this angle 1 and angle PAPR. APR. APR. Where is APR? This you need to prove that this is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Let me make the figure much more clear to you. Listen. This is your circle. Okay. This is your line. Okay. This thing is also your line. This is Q. This is B. This is O. This is A. This is P. Right? This thing is here. Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing clearly. This is very easy thing. Is this is 1, if this is 2, isn't this line equal to this line? So if this is 1, this is also 1. Now you know that's line, the radius to the tangent is 90 degrees, so this will be 90 degree. So 1 plus 2 will be equal to 90 degrees. So the thing is proved. This thing is proved. I don't think there was any rocket science in this. Fine. Okay. See, next question. Oh my God, this is a simple NCRT question. If Q 0 comma 1 is equidistant from 5 comma negative 3, that is your P, and R x comma 6. Find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? Yes. So they are equidistant from the point Q. So what you need to do? Can I say QP square is equal to QR square? Because they are equidistant. Why I'm taking the squares of both the things? Because I want to avoid the square roots. Isn't it? I want to avoid the square roots. So what is QP? The distance between Q and P, that's 5 minus 0 whole square, that will be 5 square. 3 minus this thing minus 1 whole square, that will be plus 4 square, isn't it? This is equal to QR x minus 0, this is x square. This is 6 minus 1, that is minus 5 square, plus 5 square. This and this will be cancelled. So x you got as 4. Oh my God. Is that thing clear? Guys, is that thing clear? Done. X you got is 4. Next thing is, this is your circle. Now, a circle is there, you can find the area of a circle, but you can't find the area of a circle till you know what will be its diameter or a radius. How to find that? How to find the diameter of a and a radius? Come on, tell me. Just a moment. Okay, how to find the diameter and the radius? Yes, guys, come on, tell me. See, how to find this thing? You can use the Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? You can use simply the Pythagoras theorem. If this is 8, this is 6, what will be its triplet? I think this will be 10, isn't it? So the radius is 5. When the radius is 5, you can find the area as pi r square minus length into breadth. That is 22. See, here, if you use 22/7, that will be treated as wrong. Why? Because pi, the value of pi is given as 3.14. Okay, into 5 square minus length into breadth, that is 8 into 6. Okay, just find it out, you will get the answer. Okay, done, guys. Okay, now next, I think this is the most easiest question. You need to find the median. For median, you need to find the cumulative frequency and take the n by 2. That's it. And the class marks of this thing. The class mark is this thing will be 5. This thing will be 15. This will be 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. And this thing you will treat as xi. And this thing you will treat as fi, isn't it? Now, how to find, the mean is actually the n by 2, isn't it? Whatever the particular class mark you will be getting there. Now, sorry, median. How to find the mean now? Mean is your summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Just multiply this and this. You have been doing this for a very long time, isn't it? I don't think there is a need for this thing to uh, show, I think. Right? Okay, guys, shall I proceed? Okay, let's proceed to the next question. See, this is the question number 33. I think this is the same question which I have showed you yesterday, isn't it? I will show you. In the practice session, I think this was the same question. I think other faculties might have also showed you this thing. This is the simple NCRT question. See, this is the ABC, right? This is ABC. And this is PQR. Fine. Now, if it is ABC and PQR, AB and there is a median AD. And here it is a median L. Okay, L or M, it's M. What you need to do, you need to prove that these two triangles are similar. See, it is given, let me write it here. A no It is given that AB over PQ is equal to AC over PR is equal to AD over PM. See, what I need to do, how to do this question, you will elongate this side to this thing such that this and this will be equal. Now you will connect this and you will also extend this to here E such that this and this will be equal and this will be here. Now tell me one thing, this side is equal to this side, isn't it? Because M is the median and D is the median, this side is equal to this side. Now if you see, these are the diagonals and they bisect each other. The figure in which the diagonals bisect each other, that is known as a parallelogram, isn't it? So ABEC is a parallelogram and this thing is also a parallelogram. So if this thing is a parallelogram, yes, I can simply say that I can simply say that I can make these two triangles as congruent. See, what will be the next approach? What will be my next approach? My next approach will be I will make this triangle congruent. Simply you can do that, isn't it? Because this side by this side, you in place of sorry, AC, you can write in place of AC, you can write BE. BE in place of PR, you can write QE, isn't it? Isn't it, guys? And AD plus AD two times this side plus this side, that is two times of this. So this triangle got congruent to this side. That means angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Similarly, you can prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4, right? Now, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Add them up, so I will get angle A is equal to angle P. Now, since this side is by this side, they are similar. This side over this side, they are similar. And one of the corresponding angle is also equal. So I will say that two triangles are similar by SAS criteria. Guys, got it? Got it? Yes. Okay. This is the next question. I don't think there is a need for this question. Still, I will be making a diagram of this thing. You can try it yourself. See, this is just because I have done that question. EM is the midpoint, simple NCRT question as well. You have A, you have D, you have C, you have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, and this is a side which is produced to E, right? This thing is produced to E, and the line intersecting AC at L produced mm, mm, AC is produced to L, right? This is here L. Now you need to show that AL is equal to, this is a triangle, fine. This is what you just show this and this to get it congruent, fine. Okay, sorry, similar, you can do it easily, fine. Okay, I think there is not a big deal in this question. You can easily do it. And we have already showed the one of the part of this, so there is no need for the second one. Now see, this is the next question of AP. The question is given as 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 after x, 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus up to x is equal to 287. Is this an AP? Yes. A is 1, D is 3. Is it? Is it so or not? Isn't it A1 and D is equal to 3? Because you can check the common difference, 4 minus 1, 7 minus 4. Huh? Now, what to do? Now Sn, that is sum of first n terms, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is given as 287, right? Okay, now what is here n? We don't know. What is here a? That is 1. What is here d? That is 3. Okay, so apply that thing. So this will be equal to n by 2. In fact, I can take 2 on the other side. So this is n into 2 plus, because n is a is 1, it will be n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 2 multiplied here. This will be equal to 574. Okay, so this will be equal to n. This is 3n minus 1 is equal to 574. So this will be equal to 3n square minus n minus 574 is equal to 0. I think the value of n will be in the, one will be the fraction, one will be in the natural positive. So I think n will be equal to negative. I think one of the value will be 14. One of the value will be 14. I think so. Hmm. One of the value will be 14 and one of the value will be negative 41 by 3. Just check it out, right? Okay, so I got the value of n. Now I need to find an. An is our x, right? So this is a plus 14 minus 1 into d. That is 3. A is 1. Find the term. You'll get the answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. You can do it. Okay. See, The question is given here. This one is the easiest, and this one I will draw the diagram of both the things, both the questions. You can do that. Angle of elevation from the top of the 30-meter high is, this is a 30-meter high. Okay, let us take this 30-meter high tower. To the another tower on the same plane is 60 degree. That means this is the another tower here. This is 60 degree. Okay, from the, and the angle of the elevation from the second tower to the foot of the, it's 30 degree. That means this one is a smaller tower than this, isn't it? So because this is also only here 30 degree. Okay, so by this thing you should get that which one is the smaller and which one is the greater. Okay, let us take the height of this thing as x. Now see, easy question. If you take tan 60, that is equal to 30 by x, get the value of x here. Now when you can use tan 30, that is equal to h divided by x, use the value of x here, and tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, get the value of h. Fine. Now the next question from the same thing, from the trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, from the top of the tower of 100-meter high. This is the 100-meter high tower. Fine, this is the 100-meter high tower. Okay, there are, a man observes two cars. These are the two cars. This is car one and car two. Okay. Now, if these are observed, the angle of depression is 30 and 45. So this thing is 30, this thing is 45. So this thing is also 30, this thing is 45. Now remember, whenever tan is 45, the perpendicular and the base are equal. So this is also 100. Simple. You can take it. You can think about it. You can use it. And this is x. When I will take this x, so this is tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base, use the value of tan 30 and get the value of x. This is x plus 100. You will get the answer. Fine, guys. Guys, is that clear? Hmm? Okay, let's move to the next question. These are the case study questions, right? A computer based learning, that is CBL, refers to any teaching methodology making use of the computers for the information transformation. And in elementary school, computer applications can be used. Displays this. A survey was done for the 100 employees in the secondary school of Assam, and they were classified to be the number of the computers they had, right? Okay, now what's given here? First thing, it's given that the total number of the computers, that's given here 1 to 10. There are 50 number of the schools having the computers. 200, 11 to 20, how many schools are there? Now first thing is, what is the probability that the schools chosen random has more than 100 computers, right? They have more than 100 computers. See, more than 100 computers comes in this category. So what is the probability? Probability will be 80 divided by sum of all, that is 250 plus 200 plus 290 plus 180 plus 80, 180 plus 80. Guys, are you getting me? See, this is the easy thing, because you need to find what is the probability. Uh probability means, wait, probability means that you have to find for the first any event out of all, isn't it? So this will be, I think, this will be 1000. Yeah, this is 80 upon 1000. Hmm? This will be its probability. Find the probability that the schools chosen at the random fewer than 50. Fewer than 50 means 50 or has 50 or fewer than 50. That means fewer than 50. So its probability will be the adding of these two. That is 250, 200 plus 290 divided by 1000. That's the second part, right? What about the third part? What about the third part? Yes, guys. What about the third part? Sorry, it's B part. That's its A part, and this will be its B part. What its B part says: find the probability that the school chosen as a random has no more than 20 computers. That means it does not have no more than 20 computers. That means either 20 or less than 20. So how to get it? Has no more than. So it is 250 plus 200 divided by the total. Find the probability that school chosen at the random has 10 or less than 10 computers. 10 or less than, that is 250 divided by 1000. Isn't it? Guys, are you getting it? Hmm. Write me in a chat if you are having any problem. Okay, just a moment. Hmm. Okay, now let's move to the next question. In an annual price distribution, this is the price that it has been that you can see on your. Okay, see, if this is the prime price distribution, first of all, you need to find ABCD is given as this the rate of silver plating this thing. This is the outer. What is the area of the quadrant ODC? First of all, you need to find the area of a sector, isn't it? This thing. And then I will find the area of a triangle. Then I will subtract them both. First of all, what is the area of a sector? Area of sector. This is theta, that is 90 degree, that is 1 upon 4. 90 divided by 360, this is 1 by 4. Into pi r square, that is 22 by 7, into radius is 7 square. Isn't it? This thing will turn out to be this, and this will be cancelled 1, sorry, 2 and 11. This is 77 upon 2. This is 77 upon 2. This is 38.5, right? Centimeter square. This is for the sector. Now for the triangle, area of a triangle, how it is given, that is half base. What is the base? Isn't this the base? This is also 7. 7 plus 3, that is 10. 10 plus 10, that is 10 into 10. That is equal to 50 centimeter square. Okay. So area, required area, that is 50 minus 38.5. Whatever it is, okay, that is 11.5 multiplied by 20. Why 20? Because see, this is for the first thing. This is for the first thing that you need to find. This is the answer of the first thing. Find the area of the OAB. This is the answer of the second part. What is the total cost of planting the shape at the rate of 20 rupees per centimeter square? Okay, multiply this by 20, you will get the answer 23. That is rupees 23. Fine. What is the length of CD? You need to find the length of CD. Fine. Tell me, come on. How? What is the length of CD? Yes, guys. How to find the length of CD? Easy. Easy way to find the length of CD, that is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, that is 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Compute it, you will get the answer. Fine. Okay. Okay, guys. Now 1, this is 2, 2, 1, 2, 11. This and this will be cancelled. This is 11 centimeter square. Fine. Now let's go for the next thing. Last question. See, we will try with to come up with the few more. In these sets. First of all, we have discussed this thing. The coffee shop. In a coffee shop, the coffee is served in two types of cups. One is cylindrical, another is hemispherical. Right. The diameter of this thing is 7. That is radius is 7 by 2. The diameter of this thing is 21. So this will be 21 by 2. Fine. And the height of this thing is given as 40. 14. What is the first thing that you need to find? Find the area of the base of a cylindrical cup. That means you need to find the area of a base. That's the first part. That is pi r square, isn't it? Pi you can use 22 by 7 into r square. That is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Guys, are you getting me? 2, 1, 2, 11, 7 and 7 will be cancelled. This will be, yes, 77 by 2. That is 38.5. Got it? Now, what is the capacity of the hemispherical cup? Capacity means, yes, capacity means, capacity means volume. What's the volume of this thing? 2 by 3 pi r cube. That's 2 by 3, 22 by 7. Don't get confused that you have here radius. This here, the radius is 21 by 2. That's 21 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 by 2 because it's cube. Okay, 7, 1. See, this 7 into 3 is 21. This and this will be cancelled. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. 2, 1, 2, 11. Okay, 21, 21 into 11. I think this should be equal to 4851 divided by 4, right? Isn't it? Now, what you need to do, you need to find the capacity of the cylindrical cup. Arey yaar, easy hai. That is its A part, this is its B part. How to find the capacity of the cylindrical cup? That means you have to find the volume of the cylindrical cup. What is the volume of the cylindrical cup? That is pi r square h. That is 22 upon 7. What is the radius? Yes, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Yeah, guys, what is the height? This thing and this thing will be cancelled. Okay. Oh my God. Wait. This thing is all for today, guys. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.